Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Commerce Diaries. I hope you all are doing well. So in the today's video, I am going to share a interesting and the easy trick to remember the abbreviation. As you know that the abbreviations are important for our NT UGC NET examination. These are the hero kind of the questions or the zero kind of the questions. If you know the abbreviation correctly, you will easily fetch the free marks in your examination. If you don't know the abbreviation, you may lose those free marks. So here I am going to share a simple trick which helped me to remember all the abbreviation for my examination. So let us begin with it.
So here 5 plus 5 trick to learn the abbreviations. First let me clear one thing is that this trick you can follow for the any kind of the unit where you will find abbreviations. Mainly if we discuss about our ICT unit, we will find a n number of abbreviations in this particular unit. But if you discuss about the higher education or maybe people and environment, or maybe in your paper 2 also, whenever you will find any kind of the abbreviation, and if you feel that okay this is the important, all those kind of the abbreviation you can insert in your abbreviation list. Okay, so what you have to do is that first with this simple 5 step you can easily learn and retain the all kind of the abbreviations. Okay, so first thing is that segregate abbreviation in a to Z format. Okay, first what you have to do is that let's take an example of the ICT. If you downloaded any kind of the ICT abbreviation sheet from the any online platform, or if you are following any kind of the study material in the offline mode, maybe it is a book or any of your notes. Okay, so first thing you have to do is that segregate or bifurcate those abbreviations in the alphabetical manner. Why I am telling you is that once you start learning your abbreviations, now you will remember each and every abbreviations in the series, so it will be easy to recall you, or it will be easy to retain the abbreviations for the longer period of the time. Okay, so let's say if you have a list of the 100 abbreviations, you have to first segregate them in a alphabetical, that is the A to Z format. The next step is that make a separate A3 size chart for your abbreviations. Why I am telling is that to make a chart, once you will start learning abbreviations from day one, let's say if you take a 2 months to follow this your technique. Okay, so after 2 months you will be able to have a complete chart before you. So with that chart you can daily revise all the abbreviations in the easier manner. You don't need to go to any kind of your notes or any kind of your books. Just keep on turning the page, find on which page I have written this kind of the abbreviation. So rather than wasting time on flipping on the pages, it is good to make a chart on the initial stage. Okay, the next thing is that read, write 5 abbreviations daily. Okay, as I have told before, once you segregate your abbreviations in a to Z format, you have to pick up any kind of the easiest abbreviations in the beginning. So if you start from the letter A, so take any 5 abbreviations, first read them properly, understand what given in that abbreviation, what terminology they are using in that abbreviation. Just memorize it or try to recall it twice or thrice, and without seeing the original chart, try to write it by your own. So once you will read, it will be written in your mind, and then when you will write without seeing to that abbreviations, that will be fixed in your memory. So you have to just read and write daily 5 abbreviations. Okay, the next thing is that when the day 2 is come, on the day 1 you learn, you read and write 5 abbreviation, then the next day you have to revise the 5 abbreviation which you learned in the day 1. Okay, the next 5 plus 5. Okay, this would be my 5 abbreviations which I have learned in the day 1. Then this would be my day 2 abbreviations which I will learn in the next day or upcoming days. Okay, so with this what you have to do is that keep on adding up the 5 abbreviations daily. So, and one thing is that you have to remember that when you will learn new abbreviations, you have to revise the abbreviations you have learned in the past days. So daily 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, the abbreviations will add on in your list. Okay, then after following this trick, let's say if you follow this for the 1 month, 2 month, or maybe 3 months, you will be able to get all your chart. As I told you in the beginning itself, make a A3 size chart. After completion of all your list of the abbreviation, you will be able to get a one beautiful chart. That chart you can paste it on your wall or where you usually study. Maybe it's your study room or maybe it's your study table. Just paste it, and after completion of the full list of your abbreviations, you don't need to revise it separately. Just have a look of that chart, then you will easily retain all the abbreviations easily. So these are the few simple steps. With the help of you can easily remember all the abbreviations. So this, if your list is 100, just split it into the daily 5, 5, 5, and that 5 plus 5 will help you to learn and retain all your abbreviations till your examination. And I'm telling you that the abbreviations are the thing where you will get a literally free marks. These are the hero or the zero questions. If you know the abbreviations, you will get a free marks in your examination. So try to fetch this marks in with this simple trick. Here, if you can see, I shared my own chart which I have prepared for my examination and which I have followed this trick for the ICT abbreviations. This you can also follow in your daily schedule so that you will be able to retain the abbreviations for the longer period of the time. Okay, so what I have to use this, that if you can see this everyday 5 abbreviation, this was the trick as I told you. But what I used to do is that whenever I feel that okay, today I learn any 5 abbreviations, if I feel like okay, and I can learn many abbreviations in a one day, so I used to extend the 5, maybe it get a 6, maybe it get a 7, 8 or 10. It is up to you. If you feel like okay, I can extend the number, then you can add on the more abbreviations in a one single day. But preferably if you, without taking any kind of the stress and hectic, you follow a 5 plus 5 trick, that would be also helpful for you. As I told here, segregate the abbreviations in a to Z format. If you can see that first I have written all the abbreviations which starting from the A, then I have written the abbreviations which starting from the B, then I have written the abbreviations which starting from the C, and so on. This is I have done it for all the alphabetical order. But what thing I have done is that I made this list in my notebook, so I have to flip the pages on the regular basis and to see all the abbreviations on the regular basis. So I would suggest you that rather than writing these abbreviations in your notebook, make a A3 chart, and once you will complete all your abbreviations, just try to paste it on the wall. So this was the simple trick to learn the abbreviations. This one simple trick will give you a free marks in your examination. I hope you will like this trick. It was my own trick which I follow for my examination. If you find this trick helpful for your examination, if you like this video, don't forget to give your reviews on the video and also subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day.